Hi, this is Greg Lowe. This is another video in the SDU Tools series on processing URLs with T SQL. There are a number of functions involved in this. First thing to understand is that a URL is made up of many components. And so we have provided separate functions like URL to protocol, and that pulls out the protocol that's used. We have URL to host name. That will extract the host name. We've got URL to path name, and so that will get the path inside here. We've then got search terms if they're in place, and so that's things after the ampersand in there. And we also have the ability to pull out the anchor if it's present, and normally that's used to position you on somewhere on the page. And so each of those is available as a separate function, but we also have a table valued function that returns all of the values. And so if we look at that in the first one here with podcast SQLdownunder.com, in fact, let's make that podcast.SQLdownunder.com, might be a little bit better. And you'll see in here, so the protocol, HTTPS, the host name here, but this one has no path, no search terms, and no anchor. Where the second example here has SQLdownunder.com, has the path for podcast 2024, podcast number equals 12, that's the search terms, and then the anchor on the end is intro. And as I said, each of these is available as a separate function that you can call. But often you'll want to just call this with the table valued function to sort of make it easy to call a bunch of these at once. We hope you find this useful.